Hey guys, my name is Nazza Crypto and today we're going to talk about a project called Get Rich. Basically, this project is offering you passive income just for watching reality show. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the project, explain you how it all works, show you some of the results, and of course, you can find all the links in the description. So basically, this project, Get Rich, they have a product called Realityverse. Basically, they're mixing reality show with a watch to earn with crypto and also RPG gaming. So at the moment they have their reality show already running. They have 4 contestants and this is the first season. And of course, if you're watching this video, you can actually make money just by watching this reality show half an hour a day. It's that easy. So basically this reality show is completely different from anything we had before because everyone watching can actually participate in the show and actually interact with the players. You have the buttons donate right here. You can donate to any of the players. Next up, you can actually make gifts to the players, and these are actually physical gifts. So you can see you can give them soap, carrot, toilet paper, anything you want, even the gaming consoles. And also you can give challenges to contestants. So basically this is a simplified concept of the project. But of course, for everyone watching, the most important part of the project is watch to earn. So just for watching this reality show, 30 minutes a day, you earn these tokens. And these are the tokens you can actually withdraw. And this is actually how the dashboard looks. Right here, you can see how much you already earned. So I earned 73 tokens. Next up, you have a daily limit of how much you can earn every day. So I already reached 100% for today. Next up, you get upgrades for days you watch in the rows. For example, I watch 100% today. Tomorrow, I'm gonna watch and I'm gonna be level 2. So you actually upgrade your level, of course, get better rewards. Next up, they have different subscription tiers. If you jump in right here and you click premium, they have 3 tiers: free, premium HD, and premium 4K. And you can see they have different prices. So of course, free is free, premium HD is $5, and premium 4K is $15. And why is this important? Because first of all, yeah, you get better features to actually watch the show, but you also have watch to earn boost. And these are pretty big boosts. You can see the percentages. And I actually personally myself have the premium 4K package because in my opinion, it really makes sense because I get bigger bonuses for watching. So let's get back to the watch to earn. So you can see on the bottom, I'm getting all of these rewards because I have 4K premium. Next up, they have affiliate bonus. So if you invite friends or family or anyone, you get extra bonus just for them joining and starting to earn together. So I think this is a really cool project. I talk a lot about Pi Network and why it's a scam. And I think this project could be a legit way to actually make money by doing almost nothing, just enjoying TV show and earning tokens that you can actually withdraw. So as usual, I will have a link in the description. If you have any question about the project, you can ask me in the comments or join my free Telegram groups in the description and top comment. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.